Explorer, BAIWEI Toys, TW 1103, 1103, Jetfire. Here he is right there. I can preview what we're doing an unboxing video this time. But yeah, this guy looks awesome. Doing an unboxing video. He's in the back right here, looking pretty sick. He can combine with Optimus Prime. But yeah. Let's get this guy unboxed and take a look at him out of the packaging. This is a big box. Get the guy out of the packaging and take a look. Instructions right here. Other accessories, Jetfire. Stuff right here. Pieces right here. Comes with Optimus Prime's shiny grill right here. Cards from Jetfire robot mode. An instruction booklet. It's Prime and Jetfire combination. And here. And in the back. Here, some assembly acquired. Yeah. But yeah, definitely assembly acquire. Some of it, assembly acquired. Just move these up so we can get I'm gonna have to watch some videos, guys, but I can see all this. This is gonna take some time, but here are all the parts right here. Yeah, here are all the pieces right here, though. I'm gonna do a separate video when I put off camera and build it, but all the pieces right here and right here looking pretty sick. But yeah, pieces and parts right here. But yeah. Pieces and parts, but yeah, this has been an unboxing video for Jetfire. Transfer Lens of Fallen, but yeah, pretty sick right here. But yeah, don't forget to please subscribe, like this video, come next for more, and come next, guys. I'm gonna be reviewing something else. Next, guys, we're gonna be reviewing the DNA Design DK54 Optimus Prime upgrade kit. Pretty sick right here. Stay tuned for that coming up soon. But yeah, stay tuned for this coming up soon. And don't forget to please subscribe, like this video, and comment next time for more. And have a great night and see you guys. Bye.